Here we have the BYU University Career Services website. They have this navigation bar across the top that is just for them. They have the handshake login, a search bar, and all of these tabs here. We have a video that it's been running through. We have some resources here, the calendar of events, and that's it. So I'd like to go see, let me go start here on the top. We have students. They have these same options here. Some schools they have there at BYU. Resources page. It's a very long page with lots of resources. Right at the top here, fairs and events. Employers. Faculty. Alumni. Okay, I'm going to go back to, hopefully this will take me back to the BYU Career Services page. Nope, I'll go home. Took me to alumni. Well, let's see how I'm going to get back here to the main page. Just to navigate their website here. So that's our goal. Well, that took me back to the main page. Anyway, there's a big an idea of what BYU Career Services has for us.